Really? Yeah, I heard they got him out. Did you hear it explode? No? Okay. Archer is completely closed at Harlem. Yes, it is. Archer south, just south of Harlem there, like right, like so Harlem's open, but they have 2 southbound lanes of Harlem still blocked there. That last, and Archer closed in both directions, south of Harlem. I'm sorry, west of Harlem. Yeah, does that make sense now? I'm sorry, I'm shooting this and trying to explain that one. Very good. They'll be on soon, hopefully. You got it, bye-bye.
Check.
All right, first of all, may I have your name, say, and spell your last name and give me your title?
Wayne Hanson, Fire Chief. WayneHanson.
All right, Chief, tell us where we're at. What's going on this morning?
Looks like we had a house that probably looks like there was an explosion. We had the front and side walls blown out. One injury was transported to Loyola with burns. We thought the house was not inhabited, so that's a question we're looking at right now. And the age of the person went is between probably 40 and 50. So we're still gathering information. We got investigators coming out. They're going to take a look and see what we got. Gas and all the utilities have been turned off, so we're going to cool it off, make sure we get it all safe, and probably tear a wall down and see if we can get inside and take a look and see what the cause of action was.
Talk about when you guys first arrived on the scene. Obviously, you guys had a report of an explosion. You had officers arriving on the scene with a person down. Talk about those moments when you guys got here.
Well, my guys got here way before I did, but they said that the fire was already self-vented through the roof, and the fire was coming out, and it was heavily involved. So we called a box alarm and also a plan for ambulances just in case we didn't know how many people were all involved originally. But so far, one person, and everything else is running fine so far.
And you guys had some evacuations of the homes. Talk about that.
That was self-evacuation for the people. You know, everybody, when they hear explosion, they always think of, natural gas. And at this point, it doesn't look that's the case at all. But we're going to be looking at that as well as an option.
Very good. Can I have your name, say and spell it one time in your title?
Wayne Hanson, Summit Fire Chief. WayneHansson.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.